Hi guys, so I have an exciting haul today for you guys. I have a Pioneer Woman planner and a couple of her other stationery sets. So I'm excited to open and share with you guys, so let's get started. Okay, so first we have her 2022 planner in Breezy Blossom. It comes with these stickers. I personally don't really use these, so I'll probably end up taking these out. I just don't use them, but they're really cute. Here is the first page. And we have this red pattern on the inside, which is really, really cute. So each of the tabs are this pattern. Here is what the calendar view looks like. And here is what the monthly view looks like. I feel like these spaces are big enough for me to kind of, brain dump, plan out my day. I also like that there's a little section for coming up because I always need to be thinking about the next week. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let's see if there's anything at the end. So there is a little section for all of your contacts. Like this. And a section at the end for notes. Looks like that. There's like a little pocket here at the very end, and I think on the back side too. So that is that. I've never had much luck with planners, but since this is Pioneer Woman, I'm hoping that I can actually stick to using a planner this year. So that is that. I think it's so pretty, so cute, and I'm excited to get using it. Okay, so the next one I'm really excited about. This is her menu planner kit. So to start with the actual menu planner, this is what it looks like. Broken out by the days of the week, and then you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I don't know if that's like snacks. It's the same pattern as my planner. I like that that matches. Then our accessories. So first off, it comes with this pen. A pen. Kind of cool. Notes. And that's the pattern on the inside, just little polka dots. Gold detail. So pretty. I will definitely be using this. And these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. I think my favorites are the orange. This one, of course, and this one. But I love them all. So cute. It also comes with these little stickers. There's actually a lot in here. So it comes with this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Ah, so cute. And last but not least, we have some sticky notes. Cute. Okay, so that is it for the meal planner. Love it. Okay. And last but not least, this is also another one of my favorite patterns, so I'm so excited to show this to you guys. This is the Sweet Rose stationery set. It comes with a little list book. Hopefully you can see that okay. Oh, this has, okay, I had no idea this was in here. So it comes with these 4 little tabs here. A little meal planner, which is really cute. I almost like this more than the meal planner just because it also has like a space for things to buy. So that's kind of nice that these are here together. Cute. This is what the outside looks like. Just a note. And the inside is blank. And then it comes with this really pretty like blush pink envelope. I just think those are so pretty. Absolutely love it. And I love it too because it comes with these little stickers to seal your envelope. I think those look so pretty together. Okay, so that is one of the patterns. It looks like each sheet is different. I love all of these. This one is so pretty. Okay, these little hearts. The plaid, that's really pretty. And then this one. So 4 sheets. These 2 are my favorite. I think those are so, so pretty. Love it. This also comes with a pen, same pen as the other one. So it comes with these sheets of note paper, and I believe it's meant to be folded and put in these envelopes. Quick note or letter to write to someone. It'll fit right in here perfectly. And last but not least, the to-do list. This is so beautiful. I love this. That is what the inside looks like, and you just have your little check boxes. Okay, so there is that. Put it all back together. And I think too, this would be really nice to keep in a drawer just like this, to have like a little stationery set. I love that. All right, so that is it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'd like to show you a few other like organizing like office type things. I won't show you all today. Maybe I'll do it in another video if you guys liked this one and would like some more ideas. I have a pegboard with a bunch of Pioneer Woman storage things. I have like mason jars that I used to organize, so let me know if you guys are interested in that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this haul and some of these ideas. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, bye.